Welcome back to the Morning Blend. If wrinkles, age spots, and sagging skin have you feeling older than you are, our next guest has a buffet of options to bring back your spirit. Dr. Deborah Manjoney is here from the Wisconsin Vein Center MediSpa to chat about some options that work really well on the face, and they're also now being used on other parts of the body, which is exciting.
Exactly.
Because it's not just our faces that age, and I think sometimes we've all seen examples where someone looks very youthful in the face, and then they have an older looking neck or hands.
Right. It gives
chest.
it away.
Yeah,
Gives it
exactly.
away. And you know, the fact of the matter is, as we learn all these different techniques for the face, it may seem like we're offering too many things when we start adding body things on, but the reality is, well, if we learn how to do it well on the face, then we can do it and apply it to other areas as well.
I think it's great news. Let's talk a little bit about what you can offer, not just the face, but also other parts of the body. And several of the treatments were originally, like we said, for the face, are great on other areas. So starting with AFT, it's been used on the arms as well as the chest. And this AFT is
everywhere in the body. AFT is intense pulse light, multi-spectrum light we've talked about a lot, where we can filter out different rays of light so we can actually customize the treatment to the area of the body and the color of the skin. And so what it does, it's attracted to browns and reds, so we can get rid of age spots, freckles where people don't want them, redness, vessels from rosacea, but we can also treat the areas that are on the chest, on the arms, on the hands, legs. Women have come in and had their legs treated because sun damage is cumulative. And if you were a sun worshiper back in the day, you know, maybe now is the time that you want to get rid of all that.
Yeah, so you have fractionated laser resurfacing that can work on the neck and other areas, and the Hollywood laser peel.
That's right,
also,
all those things.
Right,
so the fractionated laser, or pixel, is wonderful to use on areas where you might have scarring, a raised scar or a flat scar or a fresh scar.
Wow.
So within 3 to 4 months, you know, you can go from a very fresh looking scar to one that looks like it's been healed for many years and really fades away.
And that's pixel?
That's pixel. That's the fractionated erbium laser that we've used on the face for resurfacing, but we can use on the body either to resurface or to really moderate a scar and make it look better.
What about Botox and Kybella?
Okay, so Botox can be used besides on the face, under the arms to stop sweating. And that is an area that's very popular during the summer, especially summertime weddings, and people have big events and they don't want to be perspiring heavily, especially for people who really have a problem with that called hyperhidrosis, that we can use it under the arms and really eliminate that problem for about 6 months.
Wow.
So that's nice with Botox.
Yeah, and Kybella.
And Kybella, which we use under the chin, of course, to get rid of the fat under the chin with injections. It helps dissolve that fat, can be used in other areas, like the little pinchable fat next to the breast, under the arms. It can be used in all varieties of areas on the body where there are little pockets of fat.
Cool sculpting is something that also works for fat, especially that's resistant to diet and exercise.
That's right.
And this is actually a man in this
photograph. This is something that, you know, a lot of people don't think about using cool sculpting for, but cool sculpting for men who have those man boobs that they really hate, you know, we can do one treatment can really reduce it, and 2 treatments can even make it better if that's what they want. But it's a really nice area to, you know, for a guy who's in great shape but just feels that he's got too much chest sticking out there, it works great on those areas too.
Filler, it's incredible, something that's very often used in the face, but it's being used very effectively, I think, on the hands, where we tend to lose so much volume.
That's exactly right. The hands can really give it away. And so with filler, not only can you make those veins look like they're not there anymore, but you can fill in the areas that we've lost our fat as we've gotten older. You know, the baby fat that we lose in our face, a little later on we lose it in our hands too. And so that frequently is a giveaway for age, and the filler can really make that look much, much better.
Quickly, laser hair removal, great option. I haven't shaved my legs in, I don't know, now it's like 9 years.
It just seems like it's time to think about that, because as summertime's coming and we expose more of our body, if you haven't done laser hair removal, I just have to ask, why not?
Yeah, you can do underarms, bikini area, legs.
That's right.
Facial hair.
Absolutely. Facial hair, if you have little hairs growing under your chin or a little mustache, you can get rid of it. So it's really applicable for so many areas, and it really does improve your life, because you don't have to worry about these things.
That's for sure. And your consultations that are cosmetic are complimentary, which is wonderful.
So people can come in and find out what kinds of treatments they can have, and we can give you options for different price ranges, so that you can really try to address any area of concern and try to get it within your budget.
It's great. Your clinical care coordinator, Tammy, can help you choose what's right for you. Call them now, 262-746-9088. They're in Pewaukee on Georgetown Drive. Wisconsin Vein Center MediSpa's website is wimedispa.com. Always great to see you.
Thanks, Molly.
Fun stuff to think about as we head into spring, too.
That's right.
Appreciate it.